Fish on. Not the huge ones we're looking for, but good start.
Yeah.
Oh man, look at that thing. That's huge. That's huge, buddy. 13-incher. Let this one go. Good perch. Yeah, buddy. Man, what a perch. Awesome day. Oh, he's good. He's good. He's good. Yeah, dude. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. What a fish. Man, look at the belly on him. That is crazy. What a fish. What a perch anyways. Another good one? Responsible. I think he's a little shy of a master. Still a nice perch. Nice fish, man. Oh, it's a good perch. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's a snap. Probably a master. 13 and a quarter. Man, that's one of the biggest perch I ever seen. Let him go. Man, look at the belly on that thing. Rainbows, what a hog. Oh man. Holy smokes, Peters, check that thing out. That is huge. Good fish. Look at that. Oh man, look at that thing, what a hog. 14.5-inch perch. That is by far the biggest perch I've ever caught. Look at the belly on that thing. What a healthy fish. Unreal. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that's a really good one. Look at it coming. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Look at that. Nice. What a perch. Nice. Nice defensive pose. Yeah. What a beauty. I think it's a fight, but oh man. Look at that. Look at that, buddy. Oh dude, I'm so sorry. That was on your rod. Man, that's the 4th master angler we've got. Here in Manitoba, master angler is 13 inches, so that's 4 13-inchers, and then what did we get? I think 2 or 3 other ones that were over 12, so man, what a day. We're gonna let this guy go, let him get to 15. What a perch. Away he goes. Man, what an incredible day we had out here.